Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Instantly unlock your smartwatch's full potential by connecting it to your phone. This simple connection transforms your device from a basic watch into a powerful personal assistant right on your wrist. Before you begin, always ensure both your watch and mobile are charged above 50%. Also, double-check that your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and your watch is actively in pairing mode, ready to connect. These small preparation steps make the whole process much smoother for everyone. The official companion app is absolutely essential for seamless pairing and setup of your new smartwatch. Head over to your phone's app store, whether it's Apple App Store or Google Play, and search for your specific watch's app. Look for titles like Wear OS by Google or Samsung Health, depending on your brand. Once you've found it, simply download and open the application, granting any necessary permissions it requests. This app is your gateway to full watch control. Now, it's time to initiate the actual pairing process directly from your phone's dedicated watch app. Within the app, you'll typically find an option to add a new device or pair watch. The app will then actively scan and present a list of nearby available smartwatches for you to select. Look carefully for your watch's name, then tap to choose it. Finally, confirm the matching pairing code, displayed clearly on both your phone and smartwatch screens, to complete the secure connection. Once your devices are successfully paired, your data will immediately begin syncing between your smartwatch and mobile phone. This includes all your essential health metrics, notifications, and app settings, ensuring everything is up to date. Follow any remaining on-screen prompts within the app to complete the initial setup, such as choosing your preferred language or setting your time zone. Afterwards, take some time to explore the app's comprehensive settings and personalize your notifications, change watch faces, or adjust health tracking preferences. It's truly yours. Most common connection issues can be easily resolved with a simple restart of both your smartwatch and mobile phone, or by trying to repair them. If you ever encounter persistent problems, always ensure both devices are updated to their very latest software versions, as this often fixes underlying glitches. Now your updated 2025 smartwatch is fully connected and ready to go. Go ahead and enjoy all its incredible features, the convenience of notifications on your wrist, and its seamless connectivity with your daily life. You're set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.